it fun? Living in the real world. Ain't it good being all alone? Where you from?
So hey guys, it's me, Tyani. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my eyebrows and like how I prep my face to begin. So here I am showing you my Noxzema, and I'm cleaning my face, scrubbing off all that goodness, you know. And if you know you have nose piercing or any piercings, make sure you be careful. I'm cleaning. So you see, I clean my face and I don't have that much dirt on it, so that's a good sign. Now I'm just gonna fan off my face. Whew. Because you know Noxzema has that nice refreshment. So what I use for my eyebrows is e.l.f. eyebrow line stick and brush. No, I'm not sponsored, so what I'm going to do right now is to brush them and make sure they're nice and, you know, straight and arch. You know you gotta have an arch when you're doing your eyebrows. It's not about flat. I mean, you can do how you want to, but my eyebrows are naturally arched, as you can see. So I'm just giving it, like, just fixing my tail. Now what you want to do is take your pencil part and align it with along the line of your eyebrow arch. And remember, you guys, it takes patience to do your eyebrows. I didn't learn this overnight. I practiced and practiced over the years, but I eventually got it, and I be looking like a snack here and there. Now that we're all done with the bottom, we're going to move to the top and give it that nice arch. Just follow around your tail line and make sure like your tail is filled in, because mine is just missing. It's there, but it's missing. But you know, you see that nice little arch? Got it from my grandmama. But you know, overall, just give it that flick of the wrist and make sure it's good. Then you move on to the next brow and continue as followed. Remember, guys, your eyebrows are never twins, they're sisters. Now what I'm using is the NYX concealer, light shade and the dark shade. The light shade is going to go on the bottom of your eyebrows, and then we're going to put the darker side at the top because it matches my foundation. Now what I'm about to do is fleek my eyebrow and shade it in and make sure it blends in with my skin, because you know the bottom part of your eyebrow should be lighter than the top part of your skin, right? So as you can see, I'm still blending. Now what I'm about to do is use the darker part of my NYX at the top of my eyebrows, and make them blend into my skin. Just make sure you align your tail and don't mess up. I have OCD in the back. So you see that brow? Now it's time for more blending, so I'm going to blend the top and I will get back to you guys. It may look horrible now, but like I said, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So it's going to take me a couple of minutes and a while to fix it in how I want it to get my nice crisp arch. But we'll get there eventually. You'll see in the end how it all comes together. So I'm done blending with my little brush. Now I'm going with my blush brush to like make it crisper and neater and like blend it into my skin. by the way, to me to the right side of my eyebrow, I'm going to just speed this video up a little bit and get done with the left side and just show you the results in the end. You guys enjoyed my video. It was fun doing this for you. I love doing my eyebrows, and if you would like me to do any more other videos, I would do it. Just leave a comment below.